Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the Hairsmarket update. I showed you guys how I installed this hair. This hair was actually made by me. It's 3 bundles of curly hair in the length 22 inches, and the closure was actually I think 14 inches. Yeah, so yeah, I made the wig in my previous video. If you have not checked that out yet, please feel free to check that out. It's by Hairsmarket. So yeah, today I just thought I would spice up the hair a bit and bleach and color the hair to give you guys the tea about this hair in case you're interested in getting the hair and you want to know more about the hair before purchasing the hair, or you want to know if you can bleach the hair, you can color the hair, or you can do anything to the hair. So that's the main purpose of this video today. And yeah, so for today's video I actually used the, what's it called, I think I used the Schwarzkopf bleach, and I used the developer as well. I'm using 40 volume developer. I actually was not sure if I should color the whole hair, but for the look I was going for, I needed a lot of black at the top and any other color, at the end of the hair. So I was not quite sure. But yeah, I just decided to get on with it anyway. I thought when I finish bleaching the hair, then I'll decide on the color to go for. But with this hair, I'm quite surprised that the hair took to bleach really, really well, guys. I only left the bleach on the hair for like 15 minutes, and voila, look at the result of the hair. So at first I actually used the blue color, but then I thought the blue that I was using was really, really close to the black shade. So I thought red would be better because red would come out like, pop out more than the blue. So I decided to go for the color burgundy by Kiss Color. Is it Kiss Color? What are they called? I'm not quite sure, but I'll check the name of the hair color and I'll list it in the description box below. But before then, after bleaching the hair, I only washed the hair with shampoo. I didn't apply conditioner because I was not quite sure of the color I was going for. Maybe I was going for water coloring method or the normal hair coloring method. I was not quite sure, so I just washed it with shampoo. So when I'm done with that, then I applied the color on the hair. I didn't apply any conditioner on this hair color. I just applied it directly straight from the bottle. So as you can tell, there was a bit of space on the hair, but there was nothing to worry about because it was curly hair, so it was necessary at the top. As you can tell, if you watch my, me making the video of the hair, then you'll be able to tell why I actually left some space at the top of the hair. But there is nothing to worry about. You can sew the wig as you like. But so far so good. I'm quite impressed with the quality of the hair. The hair took to the bleach really well. It also took to the color really, really well. And yeah, I was really, really impressed. I thought, wow, look at that, guys. You can tell there was the blue color was still there, even though I applied red. So the hair took to color really well. I actually applied an elastic band on the wig, but I didn't end up using it. I just laid the hair on my hair without the elastic band. Then I cut the baby hair off. I just cut a little bit of baby hair and I laid the hair down flat. It was actually, I didn't use baby hair in the previous video, so that was why I just thought, well, let's spice things up a bit. The closure was actually 3 by 4. Is it 3 by 4 or 4 by 4? It's not up to 4 by 4. I'm not quite sure, but I'll put the details of the hair in the description box below. Then I applied my mousse on the areas where I applied the baby hair. Then I took the, what's it called? What's it called again? Fly away tamer. Yeah, I just used that to lay down the areas where I was going to apply the part on. Then I applied my concealer on the part. You can use your foundation, you can use your concealer, you can use whatever you like to do the part. As you can tell, the areas where I left the space on the wig was not showing because obviously it's curly hair, so it doesn't really matter how many space you leave at the middle of the hair or something, so that's quite fine. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I am loving the hair. As you can tell, you can wear the hair dry, big hair don't care kind of thing, which is what I'm showing you right now. And at the same time, you can also spice it up by applying mousse and everything. If you don't want to wear big hair, if you want to wear it wet, you can also go for this choice of style by applying, mousse and yeah, whatever you like really, whatever you like to apply. But in this case, I actually use the, what's it called again? I'm just forgetting everything. Well, at least everything in the description box. So apply whatever you like, and voila! Stay tuned for the reviews, guys. I am loving this hair so far. And yeah, the curls are popping, guys. Look at the curls. I'm quite impressed with this hair so far, because there have been no shedding, no tangling whatsoever. There's no matting whatsoever. As you can tell, the curls were still popping, just like the way it was when I first opened it. I really like the quality of the hair. As you can tell, the curls were still there, and yeah, it's still voluminous. And also, if you're looking to get it, stay tuned for my reviews. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's day is all about the update of this hair by Hairsmarket. I actually showed you guys how I bleached and colored the hair. As you guys can tell, the hair kept to its luster, and it also kept to, the curls were also intact. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with the quality of the hair so far. As you guys can tell, the curls of the hair is still popping, guys. Look at that. And the hair took to color really well. As you guys can tell, I didn't let the bleach stay on the hair for too long. I actually left the bleach on for like 15 minutes. I washed the bleach off and I applied the color that I actually wanted to go for. I actually applied the blue color first, but I thought the blue was so close to the black, so I thought, well, let me just go ahead and apply the burgundy red shade. As you guys can tell, I don't know if the camera is picking that up. There are some places that has the blue shade, and there are some places that have the red shade, which was the look I was actually going for. But what I'm really surprised about is the fact that the hair kept to its luster, and apart from that, the hair also took to the bleach and the color really well. So well, I'm really impressed about the hair so far. And in case you're still wondering about getting this hair or not, I'll definitely recommend you give it a go, because as you guys can tell, there is no shedding throughout the styling of the hair, and while I bleached the hair, there was minimal to little shedding, so it's nothing to worry about at all. It's just normal due to the chemical that was applied to the hair. So as you guys can tell, the hair still kept to its volume and to the curls as well. So I'm quite impressed with the hair so far, and if you want to get looking to get the hair, go ahead and get it, because in my opinion, the hair is really good. As you can tell, it's still very soft and it's not drying or matting whatsoever, which I'm quite impressed with. So yeah, apart from that, the parts that I actually had on before was washed off, so I actually tried to apply another part, which I went for a lighter shade this time. But there's nothing to worry about. Do what you should, do what you like, or style the hair as you like. And also, there are two options with this hair as well, because it's a wig made by me. It's not a customized, because it's a wig that I made myself. I decided to go for baby hair, because uh it's not up to 4x4. I think it's 3x5 or something, but it's not up to 4x4 lace closure. But yeah, the closure was really small, so I actually have to work with the space that I've got, which is the reason why I went for this part. So depending on you, you can decide to go for the style that you like. But so far so good. I'm loving the hair. I'm loving the fact that the hair kept to its luster. I'm loving the fact that the curls of the hair are still popping, despite the fact that I put it through the bleach process and coloring process. And yeah, look at that. Look at that. I was expecting the hair to be dried and everything and be straight, but there was nothing of such at all. Look at that, guys. I was expecting it to be straight and the curls would not be there and all, but I'm quite surprised that these curls were still the same, just the way it was in the first initial stage when I got the hair. So yeah, my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.